What is happening, fellow resellers? Welcome back to the channel. My name is James Jernigan. If you're new here, this is my channel, The Free State Flipper, where I talk about all things reselling. And just in case you didn't know, the Free State is Maryland's nickname, which is where I'm from. I'm currently here in Baltimore, Maryland. But anyways, thanks for tuning in. I just want to jump right into it today and talk to you guys about the direction of my channel here on YouTube and where I'm taking my reselling business. So if you've seen some of my recent videos, you've probably seen me promoting a software for building free websites. Now, this video isn't a shameless plug for this software which I'm promoting. I just want to tell you guys about why it's so important to me and why I feel the need to share it with you guys. So I don't know about you guys, but since I've started this reselling game, I've encountered a number of different challenges across the different apps, whether it's eBay or Poshmark or Mercari, Offerup, you name it. There's a few different issues I've run into. One of the issues is with certain products, some people might not like them, or they might be too close to another product and somebody thinks it's a knockoff, and they might flag your product, and that can pause your account until somebody looks at it manually, which means you're not making sales. That's happened to me. Another thing that's happened to me is one time I misplaced my debit card, so I ordered a new one and canceled that one. I forgot to update my payment information with eBay, so they put my account on hold until I made the payment, which is not a huge deal, but I did miss a couple days of sales until I logged in and noticed that my payment wasn't up to date. So while that is my fault, these are hiccups that could be avoided if I wasn't tied to these apps. So with that, building websites is something that I've been passionate about for about 5 years. It's just something I've been doing as a hobby mainly because I enjoy being creative and using the different tools and exploring how they work and all that. But with the direction the industry is heading, the reselling industry and just commerce as a whole, obviously you guys know more and more commerce is happening online in the digital space. And evidence of that can be seen with how fast these reselling apps are growing, like Poshmark and Mercari, Offerup, Depop, Vinted, Etsy, the list goes on and on. But like I said, there are a number of challenges as well as fees that come with using these apps, that if you have your own website, you're not tied to only selling a certain kind of products or paying a set fee or anything like that. You have total control over your profit margins, over what products you carry, over how you advertise those products. So with that, I just wanted to tell you guys about this software I've been promoting. It's called Groove, and it really is free to use, which is why my landing page is reallyfreewebsite.com. Like I said, this is not a plug for it. I just want to tell you guys why it's important to me and how I think it's going to help my business grow, and I'm hoping it's going to help your business grow too. So what I'm about to talk about is something you're interested in, excuse me. It's a hot one out here today. I was going to shoot this video on the roof, but I had to come inside because it was too hot, and now my mouth is a little dry, so please excuse any hiccups. But anyways, with that said, the reason this software Groove is so powerful is because it does a number of different things that previously you had to have 5 or 6 or 8 different applications or subscriptions to do, and it's free. With Groove, you're going to be able to make 3 free websites. And not only can you make websites, you can make landing pages that collect emails, you can make online stores and sell products or services or digital products. It's going to allow you to build complex sales funnels that walk your customers step by step through your sales process and doesn't let them get distracted with other people's products or other websites or links or anything like that. It's super straightforward, and you can see an example of that at not only my website, reallyfreewebsite.com, but this one's kind of funny. I don't know if you guys saw the news recently. Well, the subject matter is not funny, but this Ghislaine Maxwell got arrested, who has ties to Jeffrey Epstein, and I don't know how much you guys know about that or how you follow the news. I try not to get political on this channel, but one thing that is important to me is stopping child molesters and human traffickers. So anyways, Ghislaine Maxwell is supposedly tied to Jeffrey Epstein and this pedophile ring. So in order to capitalize on that, as well as spread the message of exposing these people, I created JelaneDidn'tDoIt.com. So you could check out JelaneDidn'tDoIt.com and see that what I've set up there is a t-shirt I designed on, I think it was Printful, which is you literally just upload a photo and they'll stick it on a t-shirt and they will drop ship it for you. So you don't have to pay for the t-shirts, it's completely free to sign up and design one. So what I did is I signed up and designed a t-shirt on Printful. And then what Printful does is they'll let you link that t-shirt you created straight to your eBay store. So it just imports it. There's a button you just click and it imports all the product information and the inventory, and people can buy it from your eBay store, and they just get shipped directly from Printful, so you don't have to handle it. So that's cool, and I just wanted to share that with you guys. And it's an example of a drop shipping experiment I'm doing with trying to drop sell these t-shirts. And so what I was able to do is use one of my free websites from Groove, which you can sign up for at reallyfreewebsite.com. And like I said, you can go check it out, JelaneDidn'tDoIt.com, and you'll see it's a picture of the t-shirt and a button that says order now. And there's a little joke that says get one before it happens again, because we all know what happened to Jeffrey Epstein. They say he committed suicide, yet he was in one of the most secure detention facilities in the world with all kinds of cameras and extra measures. So we're hoping the same thing doesn't happen again. You can help spread the word by sharing my site, JelaneDidn'tDoIt.com. But more importantly, I don't really care about how many t-shirts I sell, but I do care about these people getting exposed for the criminal operations that they're a part of. And I also care about you and your reselling business. And if you've ever had an idea like that to make a funny t-shirt to capitalize on popular news or keywords, or maybe just promote your band, whatever it is, you're gonna be able to make a free website at reallyfreewebsite.com using Groove, and you can actually make 3 of them. So I just want you guys to think about what that can do for your business. How are you going to be able to share those links on social media to advertise your business? Another thing you can do is make stickers. I put a QR code right on my sticker, so when someone sees my sticker, just in case Really Free Website is too hard to remember, which I don't think it's going to be, but just in case it is, they can pull out their phone and scan the code, and it takes them right to my website. So anyways, I'm hoping these tips helped you guys, and I'm hoping this clarifies why all of a sudden, out of the blue, I started promoting software on what you might have subscribed to as thinking was just a reseller channel. So it still is a reseller channel. I've got more reseller content coming. I'm going to do a what sold video for you guys soon. But thanks for tuning in, and I really hope that this free website stuff is able to help you and your business. And like I said, you can get started free at reallyfreewebsite.com. And I promise I won't mention that link one more time in this video because it's pretty much over. So anyways, go ahead and smash that like button if you've always wanted to get a free website and you're excited that you can finally do it. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next video.